In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Xero dashboard with a fixed date using a public link. By the end, you'll know how to generate a view-only link that always shows the exact same reporting period, perfect for sharing consistent snapshots with teammates, stakeholders, or auditors. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main screen, head to the reporting area. You'll usually find this in the top navigation bar. From there, select Dashboards. This takes you to the list of available dashboard reports tied to your organization. Open your dashboard report. This is the view you want others to see, so make sure it reflects the metrics you care about. Now look for the Share Dashboard option, typically near the top right of the dashboard. Click it to open the sharing controls. Next, enable dashboard sharing. This turns on a secure view-only link that you can distribute. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can see the dashboard data it exposes, so use it thoughtfully and in line with your organization's policies. With sharing enabled, choose Fixed Date. This is a crucial setting. Fixed Date locks the dashboard to a specific reporting period so that everyone who opens the link sees the exact same time frame, regardless of when they access it. This avoids confusion that can happen with rolling or as at today dates. Now choose the dashboard reporting period. Pick the precise as of date or date range you want to freeze. For example, you might select the end of last month, last quarter, or a specific custom range that aligns with your review cycle. Be precise here. What you pick is exactly what viewers will see. Take a moment to review the fixed date settings. Confirm the dates are correct, that the period aligns with your intended snapshot, and that the figures on the dashboard match your expectations for that time frame. If anything looks off, adjust the period before sharing the link. If you need to distribute the dashboard, copy the dashboard sharing link. Use the copy button provided to avoid typos. You can then paste it into an email, chat, or document, anywhere your audience will access it. Finally, click Open Shared Link to preview the dashboard. This opens the link in a separate window so you can experience it exactly as your viewers will. Double-check that the fixed period is applied and the numbers display correctly. Once everything looks good, you're ready to share with confidence.